and GrizzleyDuo. Yanna's inside, and it is Friday. I think it's 27th of March today, and of course we're isolating, not going anywhere, quarantined. I don't have a job. The company that I was working for is temporarily closed, due to COVID-19. So anyway, I'm going to flip the camera and I'm going to show you what I've been working on. Chopped all this bush down from the front of the house, and there's more bush. I'm going to burn it. I got to let it dry out and then I'll burn it. I got a fire going, and then I'm burning some cardboard, more flyers and cardboard, and just hanging out here. It's so beautiful. All my neighbors are out, most of them anyway, and my cats are out. Oh, there's Lucy, chasing mice, chasing gophers, not catching very much. And so I added to my lumber pile yesterday. Yanna didn't go with me. Okay, I'm flipping the camera around here. See my wood pile over there? It's growing. Let's see if I can expand. And you can see, look at all that. Free wood. A lot of it I'm going to use to build stuff. We have a lot of stuff to build, and the rest will just get burned in the fire pit. So what we're going to build, I'm going to build a second compost bin. When I do that, hopefully Sunday. Not sure how much time I'm going to have on Sunday because I have to. Where I chopped all this bush down, there's still a stump left, and I have to pull the stump out. So I got to dig around and then try to chop it out. It's going to be really hard work, but I'm going to do it anyway. And then that's all done and leveled because we're going to build a catio over there. And when we build a catio, I'll show you where it is and what our idea is going to be. Because there's lots of coyotes out here and foxes, and like during the daytime when I'm out, it's okay, but at nighttime you can't let the cats out. And then if I'm working in the garden or something, like once everything melts and you're in one area of the acreage, a coyote can just waltz in, grab one of the cats, and I would never be able to catch them. They're too fast. So anyway, we're going to build a catio. It's going to be quite large, and they'll be able to go in and out. Oh, look at this. What a dumb cat. Now, how are you going to get that? Lucy, no! Don't climb! You're dumb. I don't know how she's going to get out now. Anyway, I'm not helping her. So anyway, okay, and then, second compost bin, a catio. I'm going to build a firewood shed and that you can walk into. And I already drew the layout or the diagram, the picture, whatever you want to call it. I don't have sketch. I should get sketch, and then I can actually make a diagram. Anyway, we're going to build. Yanna wants a dog. We can't afford it right now because I don't know what's happening with money. I did apply for EI. We'll see what happens with all this virus going around. And hopefully, they can nail this thing in the butt really quickly. And I hope everyone's doing okay. If anybody needs, that's one thing Yanna and I discussed. If anybody is in need of anything, well, we live in the Calgary area, well, southern Alberta, but close to Calgary, close to Strathmore, close to Langdon, Carseland, Bicycle. We'd like to help somebody if they need help, but like food or whatever. Hopefully, I think a lot of people are helping people. I think, oh, look, she's going to get herself down. That's good. The way she went up, the way she goes down. What a smarty pants. Good. Okay, I'm going to put this box onto that fire right now. Let's see what happens. It's kind of wet, but it'll still burn. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's just going up. Look at that. It's wet, but you know what? It'll dry out and it'll burn, and it'll be okay. It'll smoke though, eh, from the water. Oh, look who's coming. Whoa! It's the other half of GrizzleyDuo. It's Frizzy Bobana. What? I mean, it's nice out. It's plus 10 here today. It's really nice, but it's still...
Was Lucy climbing the tree?
Yeah, she got down though. Here comes Yanna with her Batman t-shirt on. These two fantastic picnic tables. There's a guy in Langdon that builds them. This is pressure treated wood, and he built two of them for me, $280 later, and I got two fantastic picnic tables. Isn't it awesome? Yes. Look at how much water there is. She's going to try to shovel it. It's so nice. Like, there's a little bit of a wind, but it's not bad. And it's like plus 10 out here. Everything's melting really fast. You see all these puddles of water. Look at everywhere you look, there's water. Oh, there goes the kitty cats. Water, water. I tried to drag that thing over here, and it fell over in the wind because I left it out. And it's too heavy to pick up. I need help picking that up. There's the propane tank. And then... yeah, I'm going to paint the house. I'm prepping. I trimmed all the bush away. I have 2 more bushes to trim, maybe Sunday or Monday. And I'm going to just clean everything up, take the lights down, and prep for painting. Yeah. The garage I can't paint, though, because we're going to re-side it. But the house I'm going to paint. And the sheds. I'll paint the 2 sheds. Look at that fire, right? Oh, and look at that worker over there. Working hard. Or hardly working. Hey? Working hard or hardly working? Okay, well, I put the rest of the wood in. I cleaned out that blue bin. I'm not going to put any more in today. And I'm not going to put any of the brush in because it's still wet. And it's I'm going to let it dry out before I put it in. I'm going to have to put it behind the shed, though, because if we get wind out here, it'll blow over and it'll be everywhere. So maybe I'll just throw it in the shed for now. This one here. I'm going to paint the shed. And anyway, so Yanna's coming back out. She's going to get her rubber boots on. I think she's going to play in the water. Oh, well, the fire's out. I think there's still a little bit of fire in there, but everybody's gone in. Yanna went in, and I burned all the wood, and I cleaned up a bit. Still lots of water around here, so I'm gonna let all that bush dry out, and then I'll come out here and have another one. All right, everybody, I hope you're all doing well wherever you are, and stay isolated, and stay away from groups. And make sure you pray. And all right, we'll see you next time. And take care. Bye.